everybody, it's me. Hello everybody, it's me. It's my face. I never show my face, now I'm starting to show my face. We have this wonderful patient here that has some ram's horn nails. So ram's horn nail there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. So she's put some cotton wool and you're gonna, and then underneath to release the pain, but yeah, well done. Okay, that went into my eye. That hurt a little bit. That's more painful than anything else. Oh my goodness. Doesn't matter if you're not painful. Oh, my eye. Look at that. I said that you'll be grateful that your partner bought you. It looks a lot better. Clean.